Monisha body big like dump truck. She a make it bounce up a beat like Congo. She a deal with the G like suck real bad.
I'm in love with the game. Weed I be smoking some different type strain. Girl I be stroking some different type game. Me have some different.
Sleep at night. If you fuck around on a real drive-by.
Yeah, madder than the first time I ratted in my right. Fuck your feel pussies for me make a climb. So not clean sweep, still I read my G. We are
me no sleep, me can't left my dog, yeah. If them catch me, me take my charge, yeah. Have a bright future full of darkness.
I'm in a beast mode, uptown free, transform with a deep throat. Shot star, they a C4 and one drop it GLE with a pre.
Cupid, shoot me. I find the street and find the bread. Buy my sweat, no turn no cheek. I tooth fit eat, no try defeat the nine repress. Then we go read what the Bible said.
I told my kids the other day, I said, let me explain something to y'all. If something happened to me and mama, I want you all to understand, y'all gonna be around the casket crying. Because I'm not leaving you everything. I'm just not. I'm gonna spend 85% of my income on me and your mama.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna leave about 5-10%. That's it. The rest of the money, me and your mama going somewhere. We can, Dad, we can't go on vacation. No, I want to be with your mother.
Well, it's cool. People don't understand about children. It is not what you leave to them that makes them great. It's what you leave in them. And if you leave enough in them, you don't have to worry about what you leave to them. If you leave more to them than you leave in them, they will run through everything you left to them.
Yeah.
But if you leave enough in them, you don't have to leave so much to them because they can go out there and make their own way in life.